So there's several ways that you can review topics in ALEKS when you're trying to get ready for a module test. From your ALEKS homepage, you could click on the three bars and go down to review. That seems pretty self-explanatory. But then when the page opens up, you want to pull down this little arrow, and it's coming. And then you see the word review, and there's some topics that have appeared. But suppose you want to review particular topics from a certain module. You can click again, and you can have the option to review topics in Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, whichever modules are open for you. So suppose I click on Module 1, and it tells me there's 83 topics in Module 1, and here they are. I can keep arrowing over and scrolling. And I could pick on any of these topics to review. They're all just here, all 83 of them in a kind of interesting order. All right. So what happens when you click one of these, let's say order of operations with whole numbers, and you want to review it? A problem will appear. You can press the arrow to just look at the problem. You can try solving the problem, have your answer checked. If you get it incorrect, you can click on an explanation, just like before, and then you have the option for more practice, and you can get more and more problems until you feel like you've reviewed as much as you like. Another way that you could review, if we come back here and click on that down arrow, and I'm in Module 1, is by using the filters. Suppose you don't want to see all 83 topics, or you're looking for a particular area that you want to work on, say whole numbers. I'd already typed whole numbers. If you put a search topic in, then you will notice that what scrolls across your carousel here are just whole number problems. Or you can even filter further. As you're working in ALEKS, you should be copying down the topics that you're working on. So you could actually put a complete topic here, like order of operations with whole numbers. I hope that's one of those. And when we do that, what do we see now? That what's across our carousel has been even filtered down further to order of operations with whole numbers. And you can pick a topic and just review that topic. So that's a way you can review in ALEKS. Also, if you're just on your home page and you're on your path and you decide you want to stop and review, there you go. That pull down arrow is the thing, right? You see you're in Module 3, and you can see topics that are in Module 3. And you can also use the filters just from there to select topics that you'd like to review. You press on review, and then you'll be in review mode. So I hope this helps you as a way to review topics in ALEKS.